皆さんの好きな色は何ですか? What's your favorite color in Japanese? The Japanese language has two sets of words representing colors. One is the Japanese one, and the other is the katakana version of their English counterparts. For example, to represent the color blue, we can use the word 青, or we can also say blue. In Japanese, the words for specific colors are used differently depending on their parts of speech. This can be very confusing. In this video, we will cover the words representing colors and how to use them. Let's first look at how to say basic colors in Japanese. Red, 赤 red, orange, 橙色 orange, yellow, 黄色 yellow, green, 緑 green, blue, 青 blue, purple, 紫 purple, pink, 桃色 pink, brown, 茶色 brown, gray, 灰色 gray, black, 黒 black, white, 白 white. The basic sentence pattern for describing the color of something is color plus no plus subject. Here are some examples. 緑の窓口 the green window. This is referring to a ticket office at a train station in Japan. 紫の靴下 purple socks. 赤、青、黒、白. These colors can be made into adjectives by adding i at the end. You can use 赤い、青い、黒い、白い in front of the subject to explain the color of something. For example, to say the blue sea, you can say 青い海. Or you can say 海は青いです. The sea is blue. 黄色 and 茶色 can also be made into adjectives by adding i at the end. However, you must not forget to include the 色 in the middle. Now that you've learned how to say basic colors in Japanese, let's go over less basic, more specific colors. Silver, 銀 silver, gold, 金 gold, light blue, 水色 navy blue, 紺色 navy, yellowish green, 黄緑 beige, beige. では、皆さんの好きな色は何ですか? Comment down below.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.